It's time to meet the starters first for the BFP Lady Firefighters. Open spiker number 4, Fire Officer 1 Tony Diaz. Open spiker number 17, Fire Officer 1 Benz Bentic. Middle blocker number 6, Fire Officer 1 AJ Mamangon. Middle blocker number 18, Fire Officer 1 Fanny Adolfo. Opposite spiker number 8, Fire Officer 2 Gang Abellana. Setter number 7, Fire Officer 2 Bangs Osmilio. And libero number 14, Fire Officer 1 May Magpantay. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters is Fire Officer 3 Maylin Bautista. And now, the starting lineup for the PNP Lady Patrollers. Team captain and center number 3, Patrolwoman Tin Bangkola. Middle blocker number 1, Patrolwoman Barbie Tejada. Middle blocker number 5, Patrolwoman Chris Etucas. Middle blocker number 7, Police Corporal Ces Oliveros. Opposite spiker number 13, Patrolwoman Kia Gomez. Opposite spiker number 20, Mila Ronquillo. And libero number 2, Patrolwoman Lexa Lausiaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers is Senior Master Sergeant Rod Penalba. UVL fans, let's get ready to serve, spike, and set with the BFP Lady Firefighters and the PNP Lady Patrollers. This is the UVL Season 2, hashtag win and win, win in sports, win for charity.
There you have it, ang ating starting lineup for the Lady Firefighters. Diaz, Bentic, Mamangon, Adolfo, Abellana, Osmilio, and Magpantay starting libero. Sa kabila po naman for PNP, you got Bangkola, Ronquillo, Gomez, Oliveros, Tejada, Etucas, Linciaco starting libero. Mga official po natin, first referee Patrick Alan Castillo, national referee, and second referee Alvin Ledesma. At napag-usapan na namin ni Rina, top of the coverage, ang ating storya ngayon, repeat or rematch, di ba? Yun ang makakaulit kaya ang PNP and close to semis today, or will there be a rubber match, a winner-take-all on Sunday, June 30.
Kaya nga, brace yourself dahil gaano kahaba kaya ngayon itong game na ito, no? Dito sa ating unang game, the BFP and the PNP. Kasi nung unang laban din nila na nagharap sila, natagal doon ng 4 sets eh. Yung first round and even the second round and going into the semis, tumagal naman niya yun ng 5 sets. So we're expecting a long game here between these two teams. Match na match kasi sila.
Alam ko ang gusto ng fans natin.
Ano?
5 sets.
Mas exciting kasi, di ba?
Diba?
5 sets. And these two teams, they both deserve to be in the finals. Yun yes. Masasabi ko, no? Kung, they both deserve to be seen in the finals also. So, it will be a matter of how they will do well dito sa larong ito.
Tabla tayo, 1-all. At ang mga emosyon, mataas agad daw ng Unsan Ace. Ating nakita. At pasensya na yung emosyon ko ng It's an Ace. Parang nandun pa rin ako doon sa nangyari nung last week. Oo.
May hangover ka pa. Doon sa story natin from last week.
Oo. 2-1. Oops. These are the things na kailangan iwasan ng both squads sa mga errors. That's
right. Nagpapalitan lang kasi sila ng puntos dito. It's because of the errors here.
Serving now is Bangs. Gandang reception. Naku, may open space at sinamantalaga dyan ni Ces.
It was a soft touch right there, no? Coming from Ces Oliveros, no? At medyo yung parang footwork movement coming from the BFP, wala pa at the start of this match.
May mga ganun talaga na minsan mga diesel engine. Nag-iinit pa. Oh no! It's another race and nagkapaan doon ang BFP. Hindi alam ni Benz or ni Mai kung kanino yung reception.
Si Coach Franz, kanina kausap ko, no? Ang sabi niya sa akin kanina, you know, the skills is there. Kumbaga kung ikukumpara mo sila with the PNP, at par sila eh, magka-level sila. It's all about the attitude on this game. Yun talaga yung talagang pinag-ensayuhan nila. It's all about the motivation. Kasi coming from 11 straight wins, biglang nag-drop yung momentum nila. Natalo sila dito ng kupunan ng PNP. So right now, what they wanted to do is to regain that kind of attitude. Kung ano yung nagpanalo sa kanila all throughout the second round, yun yung maaaring dali nila dito sa labang ito.
Tama ka in saying, Rina, match na match nga itong dalawa. No? Look at the score, hindi nagkakalayo, di ba? But at the end of the day, it's how you execute the game plan. Doon talaga magkakaiba. And it all depends on the 6 players inside the court.
And right now, the PNP is up ahead by 2 points here because of the errors given here by the BFP.
Ito na, ang ating Lady Patrollers. Binalik lang sa kabila. Chance ball. Rally continues. Ronquillo will try to go cross court. Ganda naman ng depensa sa net. Ang ganda rin ng depensa sa likod. Yun lang, lumabas ang palo ni Ronquillo.
Good rally there. Good defense also shown by these two teams, no? Kaya lang na-miscalculate ni Ronquillo yung kanyang pagpalo dun sa bola.
Pag mahaba yung rally, minsan nandun ka sa point na pagpapaluin mo, ayaw mo magkamali.
Oo. Napapressure ka eh. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ito eh. Yung ganito.
Ronquillo, this time, pasok, pero ang ganda ng depensa ni Tony. Ooh! That push shot by Gang was short.
She had a good idea in mind to just stop the ball, no? Kaya lang, yung timing niya to run for that ball, hindi maganda.
6 serving 4. Balik lang ang bola. Pagkakataon ng PNP umiscore muli. Si Ronquillo pa rin ang pinupuntahan. Balik backfired.
But she got denied right there at the net by Abellana. Abellana, one of the talented players no nung last game nila, nakapag-contribute siya ng 11 points no para sa kanyang kupunan, 8 attacks and 2 blocks for the BFP.
It's an ace for Gan. We were, I think, ikaw rin kasama ko nun, we were talking about Gan Abellana, who is playing like an import but is actually a regular employee.
Yes, oo. Ganun
diba?
kalawak yung, ay diverse yung talents nitong kupunan ng BFP. Oo, parang hindi mo na, hindi mo ma-differentiate kung sino ang import sa regular player. And that makes another service ace para dito kay Gang Abellana. That's her second.
Look at that. Dinala sa likod, may butas. Dinala sa gitna, may campfire. Now BFP takes the upper hand, 7-6. Ronquillo will not be denied.
This time around, hindi nagawa ng paraan ni Osmilio together with Mamangon right there dahil lumagpas sa kanilang kamay yung bola.
Tabla tayo, 7-all here in set number 1. Setup job, soft touch. The back set, the running hit. And that is good para kay AJ as we turn you over to Jess for this update.
Hi, Chiki and Rina. The BFP Lady Firefighters are at our venue as early as 9 a.m. They are in good spirits even after that tough loss last Sunday. For Coach Franz Bautista nga daw, bagamat nagkaroon ng break, yung kanilang 11-game winning streak last Sunday, back to basics nga daw agad sila, move forward agad nga daw sila to game 2. Dahil in times like this nga daw, hindi na skills yung magiging sukatan, but rather the spirit, the heart, and the character of the team. For the PNP Lady Patrollers naman, iisa lang yung naging mensahe ng team nila nung nakausap ko yung ilang players nila before the game starts. Wala nang bibitaw. Bagamat may iba na medyo hindi pa rin nakakapaniwala that they were able to get game 1 in 5 sets. Determinado naman nga daw sila ngayon to not extend this series to game 3 dahil sila rin daw yung mahihirapan kapag binigyan pa nila ng momentum. Itong BFP. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. Yung one side BFP, back to work.
Yes.
After that streak, ito namang PNP, tapusin na natin yan.
Ang hirap kasing kalaban ng BFP, tapusin na natin ngayon.
Diba?
Oo, kasi pagdating ng game 3, I'm sure they're all tired to be able to compensate ito sa energy na binibigay din ng BFP dito. So sabi nila, ngayon na. It's now or never para dito sa kupunan ng PNP.
And if this game reaches Sunday, I won't be surprised kung pati buong barangay bit-bit ng dalawang kupunan. Sama yung mga pamilya nila.
Parang finals na.
Oh, diba?
Parang ako these two teams.
That was a good move coming from Fanny Adolfo.
But an error right there on Team Bangkola.
So lamang ang BFP ng dalawa at ng isa rather 10-9. That's a good serve coming from Bans. Samantala. Balik sa BFP. Bans will set it up. And that is good. That is it for Gang.
You know, they've been targeting that zone for the longest time, no? Kanina yung mga service ni Abellana was going to that zone, and now this time around, yung mga hit ng BFP is just going to that zone 5 of the floor for the PNP.
Firefighters, Lady Firefighters up by 2. Ganda ng depensa ng mga nakaputi. Gayun din itong mga nakapula. Sa likod, it's out. That was too strong para kay Ses.
Parang may konting gigil din on the part of Ses Oliveros that time.
We got this timeout ng mga BFP ng tatlo. Let's listen into the huddle of PNP.
Huwag nyo kaya bumaba yung bola sa atin. Kunin nyo ng kunin.
Tatlo din sila sa harap, tatlo din kayo. Abangan nyo lang. Sinong strong spiker nila doon, ano? Ha? Let's go, let's go. Puro trap ball na lang yun. Puro trap ball.
Well, we listen to the huddle of PNP. Wala pa naman silang panic button, di ba, na pinipindot. Hindi pa naman ganun ka-stress yung kanilang huddle. But more of just reminders on makipagsabayan. Kung tatlo yung blocker sa harap, tatlo din dapat sila. You know, follow the shots and reminders that I do believe, Rina, alam na ng mga manlalaro. Kailangan na nila maalala lang.
And tighten the defense, no? Kasi ayaw din ni Coach Rod na nabubutasan lang sila. Simple lang naman yung game, eh. Sabi nga ni Coach Don. But this time around, ito naman, naghanap naman ng butas dito ang kupunan ng PNP on the side of the BFP.
Nakita ko yung mukha ni Gang, ano? Pagka-attempt niya mag-block, he was hoping na merong coverage sa likod.
But nobody was there to assist.
It's now 10 serving 12. And that net defense, unfortunately, goes out. So back to a 3-point lead for BFP. Ito, isang matangkad, pumasok na ulit. Si AJ ulit, back on the floor. Ronquillo, very active here in set number 1. And yung single coverage, Rina, hindi umubra for PNP.
Yes, that's right. Chris was there, ready to block, but the ball went through her, no? Wala lang umalalay sa kanya, just behind her.
I would hear that from experts, yung pag may space between your blocking hands and the net, doon nahuhulog yung bola, eh.
Oo. Minsan may mga skillful hitters talaga na kayang-kaya nilang gawa ng paraan na igigilid nila yung bola dun sa kamay mo talaga.
Oo.
Para yung bola papasok pa rin.
And I do feel, siyempre, PNP, di ba, they're not high leapers talaga. You don't want to touch naman that net. So, hindi mo mailapag ng kaunti yung iyong kamay.
Yes, oo.
Lima ang abante ng BFP. Ronquillo, cross court. Tony was there. Tony will try. Great floor defense again. Dimsiaco with the first pass. AJ will score.
Great connection right there by their setter Rosmilio and Mamango, no, to be able to deliver that attack and point for the BFP.
We got this other update from Jess. Go ahead, Jess.
Chiki and Rina, no more Game 3. Ito nga yung nasa isip ni Chris Etucas coming into this game. Bagamat nga daw medyo napasarap yung tulog niya after Sunday. Back to work naman agad daw sila noong Lunes to make sure nga na hindi na makakaisa itong BFP sa kanila. Marami pa nga daw silang kailangan i-improve as a team, lalo na yung kanilang depensa. Ito ang kanilang blocking and receive. As a middle blocker nga daw, depensa yung kanyang priority today. At okay nga lang daw kahit hindi siya makapalo, basta masigurado niya na secured yung net. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. Chris Etucas, one of the important or key people dun sa comeback.
Yes.
Diba, ng PNP, lalo na nung set number 4.
Oo. Siya talaga yung nagdala ng larong iyon, no? Kasi medyo nag-aalangan na doon ng PNP. And the very reason why they were able to extend it in the fifth set was all because of Chris Etucas also. Etucas who had 7 points during that game. No? 5 coming from attacks and dalawa dito coming from her blocks also.
And I like it when we're talking about players and then they do something good like what Etucas did, which was an ace. Parang meron siyang override na pinapakinggan tayo.
Kanina, ang natin, game natin was about 6 points lead dito ang kupunan ng BFP. Right now, 4 na lamang no, yung kanilang kalabanan para sa BFP.
17-13 on deck to serve is Tony Diaz. Ronquillo will try to save that ball. Rosmilio set up for Abellana, try to go back, it's out.
Went to wide for Gang Abellana.
Kita mo si Coach Medina, no? Talagang trying to egg on her players to hold on. Sayang yung lead nila eh. Naku, yun lang. For BFP, napunta yan sa PNP. And for the red and white, they like that one.
Simply because of that may net touch ba?
Oo nga, teka lang. Pero doon binigay.
The referee called it to the side of the PNP.
Oh. Now that makes things interesting here, Rina. Isa na lang abante ng BFP.
Why Coach Franz is on his toes right now, reminding the ladies, no, habol tayo, we have to focus on this game, and we have to enjoy, no. Relax lang tayo because the more that we're relaxed, the more that we can do things right. But this time around, pareho na yung score ng magkabilang kupunan at 17.
17 all, let's listen in to BFP.
Sige lang. Ano tayo? Refocus tayo, ha? Hinga muna kayo ng maayos. Kasi medyo mamadali na naman sa loob eh. Hinga muna. Sabi ko nga, once na parang nawawala na kayo, mag-isip kayo ng parang mapang-motivate nyo sa sarili nyo, ha? Kasi nandiyan yung skills eh.
Angat lang natin, nakabulin natin.
Oo. I-relax nyo lang. Oo, i-relax nyo lang ang katawan nyo pag mag-receive kayo. Hindi naman ganun kabigat yung survey. Kayang-kaya yung receive yan, ha? Isa-isa tayo, isa-isa. Receive muna. Set ng maayos. Pag maganda yung bola, kung pwede bigwasan nyo na. Okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Diretso yan, diretso to hanggang finals. Let's go, fire!
Oh, let me borrow one word from Coach Francis Huddle. Pag may pagkakataon, bigwasan mo na. Paluin mo na. Diba? And that's a very authoritative term. As in, with feelings, paluin mo yung bola.
Oo, pag nakita mo na medyo butas doon yung kalaban, wala sila sa pwesto, go na dun sa bola, di ba?
Tingnan natin kung mabibigwasan nga dito ng BFP. They're gonna set it up. Pero tuwing binibigwasan nila, maganda front defense ng PNP. And that point goes to PNP. So, Rina, this is now an 8-1 run by PNP.
Because of the errors, no, dito ng kupunan ng BFP right now, they're at 7 yung kanilang errors dito.
Ronquillo. Another attack here by PNP. Tejada. Not this time. Chance ball. Ooh, what a smart move from Team Bangkola.
It's a 1-2 play coming from Team Bangkola right there, no? Hindi niya na inantay yung third ball just for her to be able to deliver that ball to the gap in the middle of the BFP.
9-1 run by the Lady Patrollers. They're up by 2. Mapagpatuloy kaya nila itong BFP. They want to stop this bleeding. And they do.
With a reception error coming from the PNP, coming from the attack there of Mamamud.
So, it's Abellana serving now for BFP. 18 serving 19.
Abellana ngayon nakakapagbigay na ng 5 points for the BFP team.
Quick one for Tejada. Chance ball. 10. Ronquillo hits it. That ball is still alive. It goes back. Osmilio. Oh, you gotta love this rally. What floor defense there by Abellana. Oh, the pancake is good. And it's in.
A good save right there coming from the PNP. Wouldn't think na masasave pa nila ng bola coming from Bentic right there. But Ronquillo was right there, no, to save that ball. No, it just went through the line of the BFP.
If I were to say that was a perfectly cooked pancake
Oh,
with bacon on the side.
ang sarap naman. Nakakagutom Pwedeng pang lunch?
Pwede. Ooh! But down the line is good para dito kay Benz Bentic.
Bentic also one of the very powerful hitters para dito sa kupunan ng BFP, no?
19 serving 20. Kapit, walang tatayo, walang kukuha ng tanghalian. Mamaya na po. Gomez sends it home.
Nice swing of the arm coming from Gomez to be able to deliver that attack. Ganda ng swing ng arms niya.
And I'm looking at how the ladies in UVL Arena have improved by leaps and bounds
Yes. So
in how they play.
even the PNP, no, kinukwento nga nila because for this season daw, mas marami sila mga players na nakuha. Coming from different regions pa yung nakuha nila, different provinces also, no. So, ganun na talaga pinagkahandaan itong liga ng mga public servants also. So, I'm sure next year, mas bigatin pa yung magiging lineup itong dalawang kupunan na ito.
Alam mo, hula ko kaya sila magaling. Pag pagod na sa trabaho, ito yung pang-distress nila eh.
Oo,
diba?
tama ka doon, diba? Kasi parang it's a sport that you love eh. Parang exercise mo na, diba? Time for yourself, diba? Breather mo from a strenuous day at work.
Serap ng BFP. Binalik lang ni Barbie Adolfo. Wanted to take a shortcut with that one, but it backfired. So 23-19, PNP ang abante. Makinig tayo sa BFP.
Kalmahan nyo lang pag magre-receive. Wala na ba yung ibang ginagawang alam yung kakaiba? I-relax nyo lang yung utak nyo. Dapat magaan yung pakiramdam nyo ha? Pwede punan nyo muna yung heart nyo ng joy. Relax nyo lang, relax. Kayang-kaya yan. Para mas makiisip kayo ng maayos, dapat hindi kayo clouded. Pag mixed emotions kayo, hindi kayo makakapag-isip na maayos, promise. Isa-isa. Focus tayo. Hinga, hinga. Kayang-kaya. 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 Let's go. Fire!
Alam mo, pwede tayong gumawa ng mga quotable quotes kay Coach Franz. Dahil punan nyo muna yung hurt ng joy.
Ouch!
Diba?
Ang hirap kasi maging joyful kapag coming from hindi, don't look in the past. Parang ganun yung sinasabi niya, di ba?
Move forward.
Oo.
Pwedeng ilaban natin to kay Coach Roger, ano? Yung mga quotable quotes.
Nakakatawa. Pero ang cute din kasi parang motivate mo talaga itong lady firefighters na ito para lumaban talaga. Yung talaga yung key. Kanina sinabi ko na rin they have to relax on this game Kasi medyo tense sila and they're not doing the right things Kaya, let's see this play coming from Bentic right there.
And right after that hit, check this out. Yung hurt, naging joy. Nakasmile na silang lahat. 20 serving 23. Benz serving for BFP. Nahabol yun ni Josmilio. Tony sends it to the back, but it goes out. It's set point for PNP.
BFP has to control that ball, especially yung mga gusto nilang down the line. Kasi most of the time, yung mga down the line attempts nila, it will go out So they just have to control it.
So Abellana will sit down. Praferosa comes in. Meantime, it's PNP up by 4. Tin Bangcola on deck to serve. 24 serving 20. Good serve by Tin. Balik sa kabila. Pagkakataon ng BFP. Pumuntos dito. And they get a point.
Miscommunication right there coming from Ronquillo, and Lim Shaco, Halos sabay silang nag-pick up ng bola right there.
And you like that, V. Praferosa, instant offense coming off the bench. Mataas ang reception, jouts sa net. And that will be a point for BFP. Back-to-back points here by V.
Ball was not controlled right there. Kaya si Ting medyo nahirapan na siya. Hindi niya anticipate kung sa kanya pababagsak yung bola niya.
So meron tayong timeout with PNP still up by 2. Let's listen in.
Huwag muna tayo mag-celebrate. Kunin muna natin to, ha?
Usap-usap kayo, nagbabangga kayo lagi.
Sino ang spiker? Ikaw?
Ako kasi ko spiker ko.
Presence of mind, no? Free-ball.
At free-ball akin na.
Rapan lang.
Magandang receive. Magandang receive, magandang palo.
Kuhin mo na.
First thing I heard there, Rina, sa coaching staff, may term tayo sa team sports. Kailangan magkaamo yan. Hindi kayo nagbabanggaan.
Oo.
Should know na, tatamaan ko na yung teammate ko.
And sometimes, in communication talaga is very important. Nag-uusap-usap kayo para at least alam nyo kung sino yung sasalo ng bola. You would often hear players say mine kung gusto mong sayo yung bola, di ba?
Josmilio will serve. They're down by 2. Tapusin kaya ng PNP dito. Di pa, that ball is still alive, but they get another chance with this possession. Chance ball. BFP can cut it down to 1. And somebody touched the net. In any case, maganda rin yung palo ni Tony,
Yes, napakaganda ng kanyang timing right there, coming from the set of the ball.
That was clear. There was a net infraction. Are we gonna go extended set? Rina, I don't mind.
Me too.
Ganda nung game But the PNP Lady Patrollers have another thing in mind. Sabi ni Kia Gomez, no, Chiki, we want to end set number 1 with my hit 25-23.
Sayang, the blockers of the BFP were ready right there, but the ball went far off from the court, Kaya hindi na nahabol nitong kupunan ng BFP.
dito sa ating game number 2, set number 1. Ang ating Lady Patrollers nanaeg after that nice run after being down by 6 in the early goings of the set. They get this one 25-23. We'll take a quick break. Pagbalik po natin set number 2.
You're still joining us here at the UVL Games right here at the Paco Arena. It was a good run and a good game, no, between these two teams, the BFP and the PNP. All the while it was BFP leading, pero nabawi din ang kupunan ng PNP. Lady Patrollers yung kalamangan dito. BFP had more attack points here. Maganda yung kanilang performance, although they struggled a little bit dun sa kanilang ball control and reception also. And they had plenty of errors here, no? Meanwhile, ang kupunan naman ng PNP, no? All the while, we thought it was maganda yung mga aces na pinapamalas ng BFP. Pero gumante dito ang kupunan ng PNP, no? Para sila lang lumamang dito sa side naman, o sa department of service aces. So, it was really a good game between these two teams, no? So, right now, we're seeing the second set of action, no? And hoping that the BFP, no, will give a good run also on this set.
Sa errors talaga nagkatalo, no? Dami, na 9.
Oo, yung
sa
kanilang
BFP.
reception talaga, yung ball control talaga nila, yung marami kasi silang naging outside na bola din eh.
And most of those 9 errors happened in that stretch from 16-10 na lamang sila.
That's right, that's right. They were not able to protect that. Ang ganda na sana nung lead nilang yun.
Yes, yes. So let's see kung makabounce back ang BFP dito. They need this game to force a rubber match on Sunday. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Yun lang, pinanggigilan. Pinanggigilan ni Oliveros yun, kaya ang unang punto nagpunta din sa BFP.
Good job on Diaz and Adolfo. Right timing to jump on the ball right there.
On deck to serve his bands. Red and white on the move. Gandang net defense. Galing kay Gang.
Earlier, it was Diaz, no, and Adolfo. Now it's Vance. That's why they're at lead here ng 2 points, no?
Lamang ng dalawa ang BFP 2-0 here in set number 2. Tin, set up job. Punta sa likod. Good floor defense. Tony. Cross court. Ganda na naman ng net defense. Ang ganda pa rin ng net defense. Boy pa rin ang bola to Jones at the net. Won by BFP.
Again, it's one of those skills of the BFP, yung mga battles at the net. So this time around, they have their ever-ready blockers right there. Abellana was right there just in time to save that ball.
And if you're BFP, you want this to continue. 3-0. Ang ganda ng umpisa ng second set.
Abellana once again dominating at the net right there. So ngayon meron na siyang 7 points, no, na naitutulong doon sa kanyang kupunan, and 2 coming from the blocks right there. Ito lang second set na ito.
And what she's doing at the net, I call that the one-woman gang.
One-woman gang. Pwede.
Diba? Siya lang eh. Hindi na kailangan ng katabi. Nagagawa niya ng paraan.
Pag marami, gangster.
Yeah, pag marami. Marami.
Pag isa lang, gang lang.
Oh, one-woman gang.
Okay.
Siya lang yun eh.
Nakasama mo yan kay Coach Ron.
Oo nga. Siguro nga. Nahawa na. 4-1. It's an ace. That's an ace. From Kia Gomez.
And you don't want the service aces of the PNP killing the BFP right now because yun din yung naging storya ng ating first set on. It's the service aces that killed them on the second set also.
Parang lamang sila ng dalawa yata doon, di ba? In the ace, ano?
Dalawa.
Malaking bagay yun, ha? Balik sa red and white. Ito na ang PNP. And it worked well for Cez Oliveros.
Diaz was just too late, no, to be able to be of help para kay Adolfo right there.
And look at how Cez celebrated that point. Now it's Kia. On deck to serve. They're down by 1. Good first ball by BFP. Emphatic hit. Good dive. At talaga, no, si Gang is a picture of consistency para dito sa BFP.
That's right. Nahirapan na dito si Gomez, no, in receiving that attack coming from Gang Abellana. She was not able to put the ball up for the PNP.
Fanny Adolfo about to serve here for BFP. Lamang sila ng dalawa. That cross court is out. So BFP now up by 3.
Went too wide for Etukas that time around. No?
Fanny Adolfo still serving here para sa koponan ng Lady Firefighters. Ooh! Ano yun? May karga, may epektos yata, no?
Oh, at saka parang ano na eh, for the second time around, nahirapan with the reception itong kupunan ng PNP.
Now, kung ikaw si Coach Franz, ang ayaw mo maulit yung nangyari ng set 1, you're up by 6, 16-10, tapos biglang papahabulin. It's an ace! As we turn you over to Jess for this update.
Chiki, ang paalala ni Coach Franz Bautista for her Lady Firefighters, they have na kailangan daw nilang maging mas masipag sa Lady Patrollers dahil nga daw hindi na pwedeng maulit yung nangyari nung first set at nung game 1 kung saan daw kinulang talaga sila sa sipag sa loob ng court. Paalala pa nga ni Coach, patience is a virtue. Kailangan nga daw nilang maging pasensyoso, magtrabaho, maging matyaga at kailangan intindihin daw nila kung ano yung nangyayari sa court. Lastly, ang challenge ni Coach Franz, kailangan nilang be mentally tough and make better decisions on the court. Back to you guys.
Salamat, Jess. Patience is indeed a virtue. And we saw that nung set number 1, sinubukan ng BFP. Madadaliin eh, di ba? Kaya nga nag-backfire eh.
Ganda nung sinabi dun sa report ni Jess, no, na talagang makikita mo dito, it's all about mental toughness for these two teams right now. Kasi yung skills, they're both, pareho naman sila sa talents nila eh. Kumbaga, kaya nila makipagsabayan sa atake, sa mga blocks nila, sa service aces nila with a more veteran team like the PNP. But kailangan talaga yung focus mo sa laro, nandun talaga.
And that's tough. It's difficult to go through the long arms of AJ and the leaping ability of Gang Abellana pag nasa may net sila. 4-point lead for BFP, 9-5. Papalo si Bentic. Likod ang tinarget. Pasok!
That is a skillful attack coming from Bentic, just hitting down the line para dito sa koponan ng PNP.
5 abante ng Lady Firefighters. One hand set. Double ang itatawag dito ng ating first referee. And now it's a 6-point lead for BFP. Let's check in sa huddle ng PNP.
Oy, Ani. Uy, trabaho tayo. Dito bibigay, dito bibigay. Pagtrabahuan natin, ha? Pagtrabahuan natin. Ilang problema natin ngayon? Huwag tayo matakot magkamali. 6 lang yan. 6, malayo.
Sipag pa tayo.
Huwag na natin bigyan ng isang set. Huwag na natin bigyan. Oh, huwag niyo bigyan ng momentum yung kalaban. Malakas din yan eh.
Very active ano si Tin Bangcola at si Ces Oliveros dun sa kanilang last huddle.
Oo, parang sinasabi nila na huwag na natin bigyan ng chance ang BFP. Kunin na natin to. If kaya naman ng 3 straight sets na kontra sa BFP, gawin na natin. Huwag na natin pagurin pa yung sarili natin dahil alam natin na magaling din makipaglaban itong kupunan ng BFP.
Kita nyo po yung aming crawler ho dyan. Respetuhin po natin ang UVL ano, dahil ito naman po talaga ay para sa mga public servants natin. Win in sports, win for charity nga po.
That's right.
Diba?
Dito in season 2, we have double the price, no?
Oo.
So instead of 500,000 pesos, the champion team will get 1 million pesos
Sus,
na
Mario Jose.
maidodonate nila doon sa kanilang chosen beneficiaries. This top 4 teams actually na naglalaro dito sa semi-finals natin. Malaki talaga yung maiko-contribute nila.
My goodness.
And of
Galing.
course, dun sa ating teams sa 5 to 8, they will also be giving something for their chosen beneficiaries. So, walang talo, walang
Wala.
waan.
Wala.
Oo, lahat panalo.
Kuya Daniel, salamat sa ginawa mo. Eto, buhay pa yung bola. Bodies on the floor. They're diving, they're hitting, they're receiving. Who will end this rally? PNP will.
Padilla was right there to be able to have a smart block, no?
Kita mo yun, ang pababa na, oh.
Oo.
Inabot pa nung daliri. 6 serving 12. Pero maganda ang lamang dito ng BFP. 6. Malaki-laki. It's up to 7 again because of Gang.
Gang Abellana, the highest scorer para dito sa kupunan ng BFP right now. She has 10, no? In total since set number 1.
It's gonna be Abellana serving now.
Siya pala yung only player in double digits pa lang ngayon sa kupunan ng BFP.
Parang walang kapaguran, ano?
Oo.
And the good thing about what Gang is doing, it's rubbing off now to people like AJ.
Oo. Yung magandang ginagawa ni Abellana is being distributed also, being shown also to the other players of the Firefighters. Parang nakita na natin tong game na to nung game 1 eh. Parang ganito rin eh, naglamang yung BFP din.
Diba kaya hindi kami magtataka ni Rina kung aabot tayo ng 5. AJ! Back to the red and white. At the net, Regalo! And that smile by Mamangin Cesirol.
Mamangon has the height advantage in front of the net and she's taking that rotation, no? She's maximizing that rotation while she's in front of the net.
Look at Gang, kalmado lang, oh.
Ang laki kasi ng lamang nila ngayon dito, di ba?
9 na to.
Oo.
Lumobo na.
Si Gang yung nakapagbigay ng 2 service aces kanina
Yes.
sa ating first set.
Fire Officer 2, Gang Abellana. Mila. But Gang was there. Benz. They're chasing for that ball. Yun na naging problema. When everybody else went there, nobody was left behind to guard the house.
Alright, hindi maganda yung kanilang naging floor defense. Everybody went to the back row and nobody was there to be able to receive in the front row.
Nawala ng taong bahay.
Oo.
Ganda ng serve ni Ronquillo, pero maganda din ang reception. Naku po. Yun na nga nangyari doon.
Medyo mahirap na kasi yung pasang yun coming from the setter, no? Challenging for Bentic to be able to deliver that ball across the other side. Malapit masyado sa gilid ng net.
Nawala ng angle. Ito yung ayaw ni Coach France, no? Yung nabibigyan ng opportunity yung PNP to come back. Now that's dangerous. 3 points straight.
That time around, PNP saw nabutas yung zone 5 ng kanilang kalaban. So, they put the ball right there.
And Coach Franz will not take any chances. She calls for the timeout para mahinto ang momentum. Let's listen in.
So yun, medyo hinahabol na naman tayo pero huwag nyo nang padikitan, please. Kayang-kaya yan, ha? Okay lang, ganun yan. Abangan nyo lang talaga, magagaan lang naman yung mga palo nila eh. Huwag kayong masyadong gagalaw muna sa aabante. Ha? Mag-estimate tayo and anticipate lagi. Okay? Basta tayo ng bola. Pag nasa taas na ang kamay, hirap nang hampasin nyo ng malakas. Abangan nyo na yung idadrop nila. Ha? Tsaka pag nablakan yung palo, automatic ang susunod niyan magdadrop. So anticipate tayo lagi. Let's go, let's go. Sige.
Ang ginagawa nila, ang palo nila, hinahaba. Para umama sa kamay natin, tatalsik lang.
Let's go, let's go. Fire!
So medyo technical doon, yung timeout, yung latter part. Abangan yung mga mahahabang palo kasi nga, of the deflection, it goes to the back.
Oo, kailangan ready sila on the back row to be able to receive that ball, no? At saka kailangan maganda rin yung pagkakabasa nila dito sa attacking ibibigay sa kanila ng PNP.
Balik ang bola sa Lady Firefighters. AJ. Good defense by Mila. Benz, cross court. Ang ganda ng mga nilalaro ng depensa from both sides. Chance ball. Ooh! Yung ganong miscue lang,
Oo.
Cost PNP that point as we turn you over to Chess for this update.
Chiki Aminado, si last game's best player of the game, Kia Gomez, na may kaba siyang nararamdaman ngayon. Pero pinipeptalk na nga lang daw niya yung sarili niya na pag kinaya niya nung game 1, ay kakayanin din daw niya ngayong game 2. Self-confidence nga daw yung one thing that she is still trying to improve, especially when she committed an error. For this game nga, isa lang yung nasa isip ni Kia, and that is paano niya dadalhin yung kanyang laro para makapag-contribute sa PNP. Balik muna sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Chess, as both sides actually medyo natawa doon. Kasi yung bola was undecided whether to go down or not.
But with a little help from the net, pumasok pa itong bolang ito. Akala ni Osmilio, hindi niya na paproblemahin yung bolang yun eh. But it became a problem for the BFP.
Nanggaling tayo sa 15-6 kung saan lamang ng siyamang BFP. And now it's 16-11. So this is a 5-1 run by the PNP.
Maganda yung pagka-push up ng bola dito ni Fanny Adolfo, no? Parang naka-fist kasi siya, naka-close yung fist niya when she tapped for the ball. So hindi masyadong tumaas.
Ganda. Good decision by Adolfo to go soft on the approach. Contra Tiempo. Now back to a 6-point lead for BFP. One more time for the red and white. This time, Adolfo was denied.
Right now, 5 na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng kupanan ng PNP.
Set up job here. Sa gitna. To the back. Inaabangan na yan. Diaz sends it back. Paginado with a set. One more time for Diaz. To the back, and that was powerful.
Very quick timing and attack right there coming from Diaz.
18-12 ang ating score.
Tony Diaz is given 4 points for the team right now. of the BFP.
It's a service error for Josmilio. Yung mga ganyan, binibigyan mo ngayon ng parang hope, ano?
Oo.
Kalaban. And ayaw ni Coach Franz yan.
Eh, pag 5 points, kayang-kayang habulin niya ng PNP.
Ay,
For
naku.
sure, kanina nga, nahabol nila yung 6 points eh. Diba?
Tapos may ace pa sa service ni Kia.
Down to 4 points na lang ang hinahabol dito ng kupanan ng PNP.
And to think, sabi ni Jess, kinakabahan pa yan si Kia Gomez.
Oo nga. Kia Gomez now has contributed 5 attacks para sa kanyang kupunan and 3 service aces.
PNP attack mode. Tony goes cross court. Binalik. Lumabas. Now it's a 5-point lead for BFP, 19-14.
Nakakatuwa yung cheer ng BFP, no? Go mga ate, let's go. Tapos masayaw-sayaw pa sila dun sa corner. Go mga ate. Pati yung fans, actually it's their families who's watching.
Nandito
Nasa
na,
right
di ba?
na, oo.
Joust at the net. It goes the way of the Lady Firefighters. Don't look now.
May dance moves pa.
Parang ano lang, ano? Parang TikTok steps lang.
Oo, they're very happy kasi nga first season nila. Tapos biglang nakapasok sila dun sa semis.
O malaking bagay yun, ha?
I remember pala, this is a battle between
Oh.
General and I will recall the name later. Yung misis niya kasi is the manager of BFP. Tapos yung husband naman is a general of Banak. General Banak in Mrs. Banak.
Tama.
Yeah, oo. Kasi diba, sa PNP, siya naman ang head din, si General Banak. And then the wife is the manager now of BFP.
I wonder na yung friendly bet nila, no? Sino kaya
Last time nandito sila.
Sino maghuhugas ng pinggan o sino maglalaba? Baka ganon, ano? Katuwaan lang.
Oo nga eh. Tapos after nung game na yun, nakita ko rin sila, nagkasalubong kami dun sa BNL kung saan nag-cover ka rin.
Ay!
Exciting yun, yung BNL na yun, no?
Salamat sa mga pumunta at nanood at sa mga naniwala sa amin. 21-15. 6-point lead for BFP. Ang nakakaiba dito, nakita ko rin sa BFP, mas sila, resilient dito na hindi pakawalan yung kanilang lamang. Lamang ng anim, oh.
Never say die yung kanilang attitude, no? Na kahit hindi sila nanalo on the first set, they're very determined to be able to get this second set.
But they gotta keep on playing well here. 4 points na lang kailangan nila. Ayun lang.
Ganda na sana ng combination to ni Bentik tsaka ni Mamangon, eh. Kinapos lang ng energy itong si Mamangon to hit that ball.
So now the lead is down to 5. Cess with a serve. Benz. Mila will deliver. Now the lead is down to 4. If you're on the side of the Lady Firefighters, the last thing you want is to get your lead down to 2 dahil mag-iiba complexion yan.
Oo, pero ngayon nasa harap sila Padilla, Bangcola, and Ronquillo. So medyo mahihirapan din dito ang BFP. But that time around, hindi na nila naipasok yung bola across the net for the PNP.
I would say that was a sigh of relief.
Yeah, oo.
For BFP, yung error na yun ng PNP. And good thing for BFP, person in the service area is Gang. One of the most consistent players in that area. But then again, how come every time we try to praise them,
nagkakaroon sila ng error? Oh, but a very rare error naman coming from Abellana.
Sportscasters jinx, sabi nga nila.
Patapusin mo daw kasi muna.
Oo nga, oo nga. Hindi ko na ulitin. Sorry, gang. Ooh. If that ball is set perfectly, good things happen when AJ is there.
Mangon has been contributing well para sa kupanan ng BFP.
May timeout tayo. Makinig tayo sa PNP.
Laro nyo lang, ha? Kapit lang, malayo pa yan. Lilima lang yan, oh.
Mag-focus kasi kayo sa, sa court.
Water yan, Nina? Water yan?
Walang low moral, walang low moral. Balik. Gusto ba? Huwag kami naging sa 23.
Tara!
25 ang game, ha? 25, hindi 23. Kapit lang.
Tara, enjoy lang. Tapos kapit tayo, puso tayo. Kaya yan, kan!
Isa lang.
Hey! Pinpi!
Game!
Sometimes you have to be reminded by your coach that a game or a set is until 25 and not 23.
That's right. So the game is not yet done, no? Until
Di pa.
now. And you're seeing on the screens right now, itong mga managers nila. Of course, Ma'am Eloisa Banak, yung kaninang mini-mention ko, the one on the left side. So siya yun. I'm not so sure if General Banak will be here. She's very happy. She's very supportive. Actually, gusto nilang sumali nung season 1 pa. Kaya lang hindi niya mabuo yung kanyang lineup. But come season 2, look at how strong naman yung lineup na na-form ni Mrs. Banak.
Oh, no? Contender agad, di ba?
Oo.
Yun yung mabigat dun eh. That ball fouled its way inside and a big smile on Kia's face. They're still alive in this set.
Sabi ng PNP, may laban pa. Kaya pa yan.
Barbie will serve. 19 serving 23. Game face is on for Tejada. And it goes out. Ito na. Down by 3 na lang.
Sayang yun. Bentic was not able to take good control of the ball.
Lady Firefighters should be able to get a nice, good receive here to relieve them of the stress. Chance ball nga lang. That ball is good. Still alive. Chance ball. And, ooh, it's still up in the air. Benz. What a rally. PNP, they get another point.
Benz wants to send the ball away from the net. Kasi ang gagaling ng PNP na makareceive close to the net. Yun lang, it went too wide, far away from the line.
3-0 run by PNP. It was 23-18. Tejada pa rin magsaserve para sa Lady Patrollers. Good serve. Pagkakataon ulit ng PNP umiscore. Tony sends it to the back. 10. That was too low. Para kay Chris Etucas.
So nabuhayan dito. Kanina kinakabahan na yung BFP kasi dumidikit na ulit ang PNP. But right now, they only need a point to get this second set for the Orange Shirts.
1 point away. Set point ng BFP to tie it in set count. And iba ang nasa utak ni Kia Gomez. Sabi na, teka lang. Sabi ng coach namin, kailangan 25 daw eh.
We need one stop here, sabi ng PNP.
What a game, Dina. What a game.
Oh, pati ako napapatayo sa upuan ko.
I'm sitting at the edge of my seat here, ladies and gentlemen. Diaz, will she end it? Yes, she did. We are tied. 1-1 in set count.
Good job for being consistent on the part of the BFP, taking control of the lead here all throughout the second set of this match, as we're seeing some highlights here of the second set.
25-22, napunta yan. sa Lady Firefighters. Tabla na tayo ng set count, 1 set apiece. We'll take a quick break. Pagbalik natin, set number 3. Set number 2, Rina, 28 minutes. Hindi nagkakalayo sa set 1, pati yung score. Napunta yung set 2 sa Lady Firefighters.
Oo, parang nagkabaliktad lang sila ng performance nila, no? It's because of the impressive attacks here given by the BFP, no? Pinangunahan sila dyan, of course, ni Gang Abeliana, followed by Mamangon and Adolfo. But as you can see right here, PNP, although they were able to limit on their errors, mas maganda yung performance pa rin, no? Yung mga runs and attack points ng BFP and even on the blocks, no? PNP struggled with a lot of reception errors and net errors also on the second set. At para naman dun sa PNP, only one player, no, in double digits, itong si Kia Gomez right now. Yung others, hindi pa nakakahabol dun sa double digits na ibibigay niya.
Ang mabigat dito, kahit na nanalo ang BFP ng set 2, yung errors nila, 11 pa rin, no? Something that I'm sure si Coach Franz would like to address even if they got set number 2. First point in this third set goes to BFP. Benz Bentic serving now for the Lady Firefighters. Osmilio set up job for Tony. Adolfo delivers.
Not in position si Oliveros to be able to receive that ball, no? In-extend niya yung kanyang kamay. Natumba na lang siya on the floor. Bentic right now, nung kanilang last game, if I'm not mistaken, 1 lang yung kanyang naipuntos dun sa kupunan ng BFP, but right now she has 3. No? 3 points for the team.
So, nag-aambag. As we take a look at Kia's shot, too hot to handle for Bentic. 1 serving 2. Balik sa PNP. It goes out, and Limsiaco, good decision there not to get that ball anymore. We're tied at 2.
Team Bangkola right now with only 2 points, no? Dun sa kanyang contribution for the PNP Lady Patrollers.
Good defense at the net. Tin, set up job, quick one there. Hindi na ipasok ni Chris ng maayos yun. Ooh, ano to? Net, infraction. Mukha, yeah.
Kay Adolfo ba yun yung net infraction?
Ayun, yeah. Kitang-kita ng ating second referee. Si referee Alvin Ledesma. Meantime, eto na, Gomez. Tinamaan pa. Ano nangyari doon? I thought that was already going out.
Let's see that.
Tumama.
Sayang.
Kay
Outside
Cez,
na sana.
Good floor defense coming from Bans. Same thing for Rexa. Gomez to the back. Inaabangan nila si Adolfo talaga. Tin. Tip of Kristen Work. Kia Something has got to give here. Tony. Probably one of our longest rallies in this match. Diaz again. Who will end it? Tukas did.
Tukas made sure na makakabawi siya at the battle of the net.
Haba nung palitan natin, ano?
Oo, good rally.
PNP abante ng isa, 4-3 here in set number 3. But that was a service error. Gomez quick to apologize to the bench. Now it's Fanny Adolfo serving for BFP. Uh-oh. And a point is a point, sabi nga ng PNP, kahit na anong form yan.
Oo. Hindi nataas yung bentik eh, kaya hindi properly nasa lugan dun sa likod yung bola.
Oops, hinanap nila yung bola. Good thing Gang was there. Bigla na lang out of nowhere. Says Oliveros sends it home.
Oliveros on fire para dito sa kupunan ng PNP. And to take note, she's the #1 scorer sa mga regular employees natin dito sa Liga ng mga Public Servants.
And she's doing an awesome job. Tukas to Tin. They go to Mila. Denied at the net.
Basang-basa ni Abellana and Mamangon what Mila was going there for the cross-court attack, no?
5 serving 6. Diaz serving for BFP. One more. Ses. Laban sa net. And AJ loved that one.
Para nagpapalitan lang sila ng puntos dito.
Siso battle lang eh, no?
Oo, parang...
Tit for tat sila dito sa set number 3.
Siguro ayaw din kasi ng PNP na malaki yung ibigay nilang kalamangan dito sa BFP. Dahil natutunan nila nung second set na ang hirap palang makabangon. Against the Firefighters kung bibigyan pa nila ng kalamangan dito.
Yung sabi nila, mahirap ulitin yung first set na come from behind. Pero parang yun yung storya nga eh, nung serye nila eh. Because BFP, even in game number 1, was ahead.
By 6 points, as much as 6, no?
Oo. Ronquillo. Balik sa Lady Patrollers. Ses. AJ will go to the back. It's wide open.
It's a nice attack coming from Mamangon, hitting that zone 6 for the PNP.
Tied at 7 here in set number 3. Dang Abellana about to serve. Mila. Vance tried to score one there. Tin going to Barbie. Chance again for BFP. And there was a net infraction.
Let's see that play.
Parang si Barbie eh. Ayun.
Kitang-kita.
Okay, Jess, anong balita dyan?
Chiki, kitang-kita sa mata ni Fanny Adolfo kung ano yung goal nila today. Extend this series para naman nga daw masulit yung mga sakripisyo ng team nila, lalong-lalo na yung pag-relocate nila dito sa Manila at yung pagod nila sa araw-araw na training. In the huddle nga, isang tanong lang ng mga coaches, gusto nyo ba talagang manalo? At isang malakas na yes ang sagot ni Fanny at ng kanyang BFP. Kaya ang commitment ni Fanny, ilalabas na ngayon to have another game on Sunday. Back to you guys.
Tama yun, no, Jess? Maraming salamat. All out na ito. Kumbaga, I think BFP is treating this game as parang game 3.
Oo.
Diba?
Para sa kanila, ito na talaga yun.
Kasi kung matalo sila dito, oo, meron pa rin mabibigyan silang beneficiary pero tapos na ang torneo nila.
Pero sabi nga ni Coach Franz kanina, nung nag-huddle sila, di ba? Let's go for the finals.
Oo.
Yun talaga yung ano nila, yung goal nila is to go for the finals.
9-8. BFP hanging on to a 1-point lead. Ito na Lady Firefighters. AJ. Good save by Tin. They go to Kia. Benz, binalik lang yung bola sa kabila. Oh, look at that. Good read by Gang. Ooh! Good dive by Rexa. AJ. And Barbie will not score a point for PNP.
Alam mo, ang ganda nung connection ni itong si Osmilio at saka ni Mamangon kanina, no? Hindi masyadong matataas yung set na binibigay ni Osmilio sa kanya. Para si Mamangon, saktong-sakto lang din yung mga atake na ibabagsak niya para dito sa PNP para hindi sobra ng hit para magiging overhit para dito kay Mamangon. So that's a good connection between the setter and the hitter right there.
So 10 serving 8. Ooh, service error for AJ. The ball goes back to PNP. They're down by a point. It's Barbie Tejada. Serving now for PNP. Good serve there by Barbie. Bentic just locating that spot in the back.
Yeah, si Mila Ronquillo because she know na it's her fault not getting that ball.
Nandun na alam niya papasok
Oo.
Tin to Kia. And the seesaw battle na pinapagkwento namin dito ni Rina, tuloy pa rin.
Nakaka-excite yung laro natin ngayon, no?
Walang gustong bumigay eh.
Just PNP is just a point behind the BFP. Kayang-kaya nila itong habulin kung gugustuhin talaga nila.
Tin is about to serve. Team captain for PNP. And AJ is in the zone.
There's a wide gap right there, hole right there in the middle of the PNP, no? Yung nakita ni AJ.
Serving is Banz, Osmilio. Hindi ganun kaganda yung first ball, kaya nahirapan si Tin with that one-handed set.
Kaya walang angle yung atake ni Etukas right there.
That's right.
Oo, it went out.
Three-point lead for the BFP. Smart move coming from Kia Gomez.
Just behind the blockers yung kanyang pag-drop ng bola.
Soft touch lang, ano?
Oo.
Placing, ika nga. 11 serving 13. That serve sails in. Rexa with a setup job. Mababa ang palo ni Tony.
She knew she was at fault right there, no?
I love it when they give facial expression sa mga coaches nila na, sorry.
Sorry.
The human side, the human element. Grabe pumalo si Gang. Lakas.
Of course, Brianna, one of the highest pointers pa rin, no, para dito sa kanilang koponan. Now with 12 points for the BFP, and right now they have 2 players for the BFP in double digits. So you have their Mamangon also with 11.
Pani, the service was out. Getting it a little bit stronger than usual. Ito na mga white shirts, Diaz. Nila just tips it over. Nagkintayan sila doon. On who will get that second ball.
Miscue on Tucas right there, and Gomez.
Tony Diaz. Serving for BFP, lamang pa rin sila ng 2. Regalo. Bans. Alam ni AJ.
Sobrang lakas ng kanyang hit na yon. There was no angle right there.
Sa ilalim tinamaan yung bola eh.
Oo.
Oliveros now serving for PNP. Di nagkakalayo. Simula kanina pa sa 3rd set. Yan ang storya natin. Going to zone 1. It's open.
Again, no, it seems like miscommunication on the part of the PNP. Oliveros was saying there, dapat nag-usap tayo.
At speaking of usap, Jess, ano balita?
Chicky, let's talk about Team Bangkola of the PNP Lady Patrollers who cannot easily fall asleep kapag nga daw may crucial game like this dahil madalas nga daw gabi pa lang mina-mindset niya kung ano yung mga kailangan niyang gawin coming to the game. As a setter or the playmaker of the team, nagsi-self-review nga daw siya a day before to plan, to see how to distribute nga daw yung bola for her teammates. For today nga, para kay Dean, isasagat niya na to get the win for the PNP. Pati Pato panabla na daw. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Salamat, Jess. Hindi nakatulog. Baka isipin ng tao, puyat.
Oo, pero mahirap ng puyat na nagpunta ka sa larong ito, which is very crucial. Because ang hirap mag-concentrate eh.
Oo.
Kapag puyat ka eh, minsan hindi mo rin magawa yung tama dahil nga sa sobrang puyat mo.
Pero pag excited, I know what that feels.
Yeah.
Yung ginawa ni Tin na hindi ka makatulog agad. Tabla na tayo, 16 all. I would always say something has got to give. But right now, parang palitan pa eh. BFP rather up by 1 point again.
Error after error para dito na ng BFP at saka ng PNP.
AJ will serve. It's 17. Serving 16. Good serve there by AJ. Tejada, binalik lang. AJ. Tin going to Kia. Benz. Di na tumalon doon si Tejada. Gamit ang kaliwa.
Galing ni Adolfo eh. Talagang straight to that attack. Right there on the hole of the PNP.
Feeling ko na-throw off din yung PNP, no? Dahil kontra-tempo yung ginawa ni AJ.
Oo.
May timeout tayo. Makinig po tayo sa huddle.
Bigay nyo lang, ha? Dalawa lang yan.
Tara. Bawi tayo. Hinga. Amin natin ito sa totoo. Hindi lang.
Mawawa na natin momentum. Tayo mismo. Kailangan yan. Expect na long game. Magmamadali kayo. Bangs, pagpalitan. Alam mo na ako dapat sa dadali. Kaya mo mga porsintuhan mo. Huwag ikaw.
Sige lang, Pin. Kayo mo yan, Pin, ha?
Tuloy lang. Sige lang. One good receive side out. Dalawa lang yan.
Ay, dahan tayo. Wala yung mabuhay. Ganay lang. Hello!
Pinpi!
18-16, 2-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. It has been like this na start of set 3. Go ahead, Rina. Sorry.
Sabi ni Coach Rod kanina, expect a long game. So, kailangan i-condition na nila yung sarili nila na wag muna silang mapagod kasi second set pa lang.
Na hindi sila uwi na maaga.
Oo. Tayo din.
Oo. Okay
pero
lang.
masaya naman eh.
Kung ganito kaganda yung game, di ba? Joust at the net. Nagulat si Tin. She saw a giant in Adolfo. Inabangan siya doon eh. 19 serving 16. Gomez. Bentic, it's out.
Too much power coming from Benz Bentic that time around.
So it's now 17 serving 19. Barbie Tejada on deck to serve for the Lady Patrollers. Osmilio back set to Bentic and it worked.
Nakabawi na si Bentic coming from that too strong attack. Now she opted for a soft touch.
Three-point lead for the BFP. It's Benz Bentic now serving for the Lady Firefighters. Gang. They go back to Kia. Net infraction.
Unwanted errors para dito sa kupunan ng BFP. Lumamang na sila kanina ng 3, but right now it's just they're ahead just by 2 points here.
Bangkola with a service error at napadlingon na lang sa malayo si Coach Rod.
A rare service error coming from patrol woman Team Bangkola, who earlier gave already 1 service ace para sa kanyang kupunan.
Remember, entering this game, BFP 0-1 sa semis. So pag makuha nila itong game na ito, magkikita ulit sila sa Sunday. Pabalik lang yan ang PNP. Osmilio set up for Adolfo. It's good.
Hindi nakalagpas dun sa kamay ni Oliveros and Ducas, who was right there. 3 more points ang kailangan dito ng BFP to be able to close out this third set.
And I think they found their groove.
Yes.
Itong Lady Firefighters. Point goes to PNP. Kia Gomez will serve. 19 serving 22. Tatlong inahabol ng Lady Patrollers. Osmilio with a setup job. Sa kabila, Mila. Bands. Going to Tony. Single coverage by Chris.
Everyone was in front doon sa kupunan ng BFP, no? Walang nakaalalay na sumalo dun sa bola.
Dalawa na lang Torina, 22-20. Fanny. Back to the white shirts. Ooh, ooh. I think Tin got hurt. Pero tuloy pa rin. Sabi ni Tin, I'm gonna set this one up. Vance. That ball is still up in the air. Ronquillo. Who will end it? Who will end it? Not yet. Si Diaz ba? The point goes to PNP.
Sayang, it's been a good rally and a good job on defending the floor for the BFP.
22-21, Lady Firefighters calling for the ceasefire. Let's check in with them.
Kapit ulit. Kapit ulit. Ang layo-layo pa niyan. Kung maaari, huwag na kayo magpatay. Ha? Huwag na magpadikit. Hinga muna, hinga muna. Isip tayo ng mas maayos. Okay? Hinga. Isang magandang receive. First ball, pag nabigyan kayo ng chance, paluin nyo na. Kung alanganin, kung establish na ang blockers, pwede nyong ilihis. Okay? Ganun din naman ang ginagawa nila eh. Diba?
Sige, let's go, let's go.
Alutin, oo. Huwag yung tatanggalin ko wala niya sa sarili. Let's go!
So I got word from our team, Ma'am Rina, na ang Game 3 pala kung magkakaroon ng Game 3, hindi po sa June 30. Let me correct myself. It will be on July 3.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Diba? Hindi sa linggo, ha?
Oo.
So ulit po, hindi po June 30. Kung may Game 3 ang semis, it will be on July 3, Wednesday. Tabla tayo sa 22.
Nabutas yung kamay ni Benz Bentic that time around. Look at this play.
Oh my goodness. Sino ang kukuha ng pivotal set 3?
Kanina lamang na dito ang BFP. Pinakawalan pa nila.
The lead goes to PNP. Great net defense. And look at how Oliveros is celebrating that point.
She's very determined, no? Na sa kanila mapupunta itong set na ito.
I won't be surprised if BFP will go to gang. Hindi. Hindi. Nagpunta sila kay AJ, rather kay Fanny.
And wala talagang nagbabantay dun sa zone 5 na yon ng PNP, no? Kaya dun dinala ni Fanny yung kanyang bola.
No, that is a great example on how Vance is activating everyone.
Oo. Hindi lang puro kay Abellana mapupunta yung bola.
You saw that. You saw that. Cess was pointing, that's ours.
Stronger than the net for the Lady Firefighters here.
Alam mo, Torina, kanya-kanyang hugutan ng ano eh. Yung pwedeng mag-push sa'yo. Diba? You got Gang on one side, Cess on the other side. They're egging their teammates. Ronquillo. Set point dito ang PNP, by the way. Buhay pa ang bola. Babalik niya Abellana. Can PNP end set number 3? Ronquillo. Can BFP tie? Diaz. That ball will go back. Pagkakataon ng PNP. Chows at the net. And we go extended set.
That was a good fight coming from the BFP, especially protecting that front row.
Extended set. I love that background music. Ronquillo gives the lead to the PNP. Set point ulit sila.
Gulat kasi si Diaz, no? At the back right there. Hindi niya nasalo ng maayos yung bolang yun.
Chance for BFP to tie. Babalik lang yan. Vance. Punta kay Gang. It touched the line. It touched the line.
The call of the referee is down the line for this attack coming from Abellana. Down the line to zone 1. Look at the crowd.
Iba, no?
Here, especially of the BFP, no? Lahat sila nakatayo na dun sa kanilang kinauupuan.
25-25. Ronquillo. Set point again for PNP.
Hindi nila nabasa yung depensa coming from Ronquillo because akala nila Ronquillo would go for the cross-court attack pero diniretso niya yung kanyang kamay. Nakaslant yung kanyang katawan for a cross-court pero yung kanyang atake was a straight one.
Biglang last minute, ano?
Oo.
Pinago. Tatabla ba ang BFP? We'll find out. Benz, oh! That was a little bit soft and PNP escapes. Here in set 3, 27-25, Rina. What a set going to PNP.
Nagpalitan lang sila ng errors dito sa ating third set na ito. But at the latter part, it was won by the PNP. They had control of that latter part of the set.
Lamang sila sa set count 2-1. Set number 4 when we come back.
We're seeing, we're right now in the fourth set of action right now. That third set was won by the PNP Lady Patrollers. It was a nice story because the first part, nagpapalitan lang sila dito ng errors. But it was PNP who closed that third set for the team. Nakikita mo dito sa ating stats right now, Chicky, napakataas ng mga attacking binigay dito ng kupunan ng PNP, of course, still with the help of Abellana, and Mamangon sila talaga yung nag-dominate dyan. But of course, the PNP were able to limit on those errors. Yun talaga yung nagpanalo sa kanilang larong yun, especially on the latter part dahil back-to-back errors yung naibigay din ni Benz Bentico on the part of the BFP.
What's alarming here, Rina, is for BFP, 3 sets in a row, mas marami silang errors palagi.
Oo.
Against PNP, and it's very glaring here. 13, akalain mo, 13 of the 27 points ng PNP nanggaling sa pagkakamali ng BFP. That's huge.
Sayang yung mga puntos na naipamigay nila, no, regalo nila para sa kupunan ng PNP that they could have controlled. But I think being a new team, siguro yun yung kanilang pag-aaralan para may adjust nila yung yung mga errors nila.
Kasi sa attacks, if I'm not mistaken, sa 3 sets, very accurate ang attacks ng BFP.
Yes, oo. At speaking of the PNP naman tayo, it was Kia Gomez and Ces Oliveros talaga na tumulong sa kanila on the third set rather.
So set number 4 about to start. Chicky Reyes po with Rina Villamor Camara here, and of course, ako lang yata ang the only thorn amongst the roses. We have Ira Pablo, our game correspondent, Jess Constantino, our courtside reporter. We got Tiffany Fran, our Coliseum announcer. And I am blessed to be surrounded by beautiful and good ladies.
Naks.
Kita mo naman. The roses around me. Ito na, hingang malalim si Tin. Bago mag-serve. Set 4 on its way. And immediately going to work was Ces.
Butas yung back row defense nitong kupunan ng BFP early here in the fourth set.
BFP on the attack. Diaz ties it at 1. And she quickly apologizes. Si Mila yung tinamaan no? Accidentally.
Oo, kasi hindi niya nataas yung bola eh. So parang hindi niya alam kung sasaluhin niya pa o yuyuko na siya for Mila to be able to receive that ball.
Ganda ng serve ni Vance. Chance for PNP to score again. Cross court for Cess.
Another error coming from Benedict, no? Hindi niya nahabol yung bola mo.
Pia Gomez on deck to serve. 2 serving 1. Back to the Lady Patrollers. Babalik lang nila yan. Pagkakataon ngayon ng BFP tumabla. Pero ang ganda ng depensa ni Tukas. Solo lang, oh.
Parang nawala yung energy, no? At the start of this fourth set for the BFP.
Hinahanap mo rin yung fire, di ba?
Oo.
Kailangan gisingin ulit ni Coach Franz. And I won't be surprised if she calls for another timeout here. We'll see. It's now 4 serving 1.
Like what she said kanina, they cannot dwell on those errors that they've been committing. They have to really strike back against the responders.
And now it's a 4-point lead. Forcing Coach Franz to call for this timeout. Pakinggan natin paano niya bubuhayin itong Lady Firefighters.
Walang magbabago sa laro natin kung hindi. Pwede. Cheer up! Layo pa. Pag sinabi niyong babawi, babawi talaga. Okay? Sige lang. Cheer up. Huwag malungkot yung mukha. Layo pa, oh. 5-1. Kaya nga po yan. Diba, saya tayo humabol. Labulin niyo yan. Wala naman lang uuwi. Let's go! Ball!
Natakot ako dun.
Walang uuwi. Dito tayo magkakamping.
Takot ako dun kay Coach. Walang uuwi. Opo. But kidding aside, she was trying to fire up the Lady Firefighters, di ba?
Giving a lot of motivation for these ladies right now.
Saka maganda sa ginawa niya, inapulan niya agad yung nangyayaring sitwasyon eh. True to their, true to their nature of work. May apoy dyan, apulahin mo agad. Di ba? And then let's get back to business.
Let's see if this timeout will be able to help the firefighters right now. Who's behind by 4 points here.
Kia serving now for PNP. Lamang sila ng 5. It's an ace.
Magpantay thought that it was outside, but it was just down the line.
Alam mo, above the shoulders eh. Ang problema lang doon was nakaabante. So medyo malayo sa end line. 6-1. BFP looking for a rally here. Pero ang PNP, magandang simula sa set 4. They're gonna return it back. Ibabalik din niya ng BFP. 10. Fans going to gang. Pancake is good. Regalo. Pasok.
Di na agad balik sa pwesto nila, nakatayo itong si Abellana and Osmilio. Napaako na dun sa kanilang pagkakaluhod on the other run.
7-1. Slowly but surely, PNP creating a gap between themselves and the BFP. Gang, mababa yung palo. 4 touches called against the Firefighters. As we turn you over to Jess for this update.
Chicky, after 5 months of playing together, pamilya na nga yung turingan ng BFP Lady Firefighters, malayong-malayo na nga daw ito kung paano sila nagsimula ng February. Kaya matapos man nga daw itong journey nila sa UVL this season, yung pagiging pamilya nila at yung pagkakaibigan, hindi nga daw matatapos. Pero bago yan, ang huling bilin nga ni Coach, hindi pa sumusuko yung kanilang mga coaches. Kaya she is expecting the same nga daw for the Lady Firefighters. So, dagdag pa niya, they just have to restart and refocus. Kaya buckle up UVL fans kasi sabi ni Coach Franz, aabot na tayo ng 5th set. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. Ayaw nga niyang pauwiin yung mga manlalaro niya kanina.
Kami naman ni Sir Chiki, nakahanda na kami for a 5 sets.
Oo naman. Ready. Diaz. Good save there. One more time for Tony. 4 touches again. So still a 7-point lead here for PNP, 9-2.
Lumalaki ang errors dito ng kupunan ng BFP.
It sails out.
Dito lang nakakakuha ng puntos ang BFP right now dun sa mga errors na binibigay dito ng Lady Patrollers.
3 serving 9. Sa mainit, regalo. Back to a 7-point lead for the Lady Patrollers, 10-3. Cés Oliveros. Gang. Babalikin ng PNP yan. Bands. Soft touch. Work there for AJ.
Nakaisa na rin si AJ. She was struggling to find her groove dito sa ating 4th set.
Abellana.
Yeah, Abellana rather. 14 points.
Wow. Unfortunately, that is also Gans. Tama, no? 10th error.
Oo.
Yun lang, unfortunately.
You can see also the frustration ng bahagya dito kay Gang Abellana as she left the court right there, no? Hindi niya nagustuhan yung kanyang performance.
Kasi sa service error, wala kang kalaban-laban eh. Mila, good serve. So Malinog, by the way, is in the match. That one is in. Smart move coming from Tejada. Now the lead, Rina, has gone up to 8. (12-4). And that's how you stop the bleeding.
Powerful attack coming from Benz Bentic right there.
(12-5). Still in favor of the Lady Patrollers. Pagkakataon ng BFP ito. So Malinog. Back to the white shirts. Chance ball. One more time. Ooh. And unfortunately, Jen was caught with an infraction.
Parang stepping the line, no? Crossing the line.
Wala eh. Sinubukan niyang i-save yung bola eh.
Hindi siya makapreno.
13-5, PNP smelling blood here. They're up by 8. Set up job. Zone 6 open for Kia.
Diaz was not ready, was not in position to receive that ball.
Sakto yung setup, oh. The lead has gone up to 9, 14-5. It's an ace. Lumalayo na, no?
Oo. Error after error dito para sa koponan ni Coach Franz. And, you know, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga players na ipapasok niya.
Ngayon, naghahanap siya ng isang spark plug dito. Sino bang pwede? Talking about BFP. PNP. They're the predators in this set. They're up by 10. Good net defense again by Chris. Cross court. Paso. And this lead has gone up to 11. Coach Franz trying to salvage this set. Let's listen in.
Ha? Kaya yan, mag-isip kayo kung paano makakabawi. I-motivate nyo yung sarili nyo, sa inyo na yan. Hindi na namin makokontrol yan. Promise, laro nyo yan eh. Hindi na magmamatter dito yung skills. Kung paano nyo na lang i-execute yung laro nyo. Ang layo pa, kayang-kaya yan. Please, hawakan na natin ito. One step at a time. Isang magandang receive. Diskartehan mo siya. Ang layo pa siya. Let's go! Fire!
Ganda na sinabi ni Coach, ano? At the end of the day, a coach can only do so much, but it's the 6 people inside the court who will have to decide rin na paano ba natin isi-save itong game na ito.
Oh, it will boil down to this 6 players na dumiskarte sila ng maganda dito, no? Para at least they will have to keep the game close against the PNP because this is the first time na nakita natin na ganito kalayo ang PNP sa larong ito. It's always na ang BFP ang lumalamang dito o kaya close lang sila sa isa't isa.
I would say this is a commanding 12-point lead already.
Yes.
17-5. Balik sa white and orange. And somebody touched the net. That's right, it was Jen. She had the right idea.
Second error. Oo.
Yung pagbaba. Tinamaan yung net.
Second error for Jen Somalinog.
Bakers doesn't lead here at 13 for PNP. Naaamoy na ng PNP yung dugo eh, no? Alam nila, konti na lang. They're up by 14. And looking at the score, no, yung season ng BFP not looking good, Rina. Here in set number 4.
Coach Franz tried to put more players in. Inalis niya si Abellana, sila Josmilio because they're getting frustrated in the game. Pero sila talaga yung kailangan ng kupunan right now.
And she's hoping na yung mga inactivate na dito, no, yung pinasok, would be producing. PNP up by 15. Make that 16. As Malu Padilla joins in the scoring department.
Nobody moved right there for the BFP when they saw that attack.
Caressa with the serve. Back to the white and orange. They want to go to Malu. Ball still up in the air. And breath of fresh air for Jen as she stops the bleeding.
Also a good combination there for itong si Jen Sumalinog, no?
Now, there's gonna be a substitution here. Hilds Pakure will be coming in. And replacing Bentik. Unfortunately, a service error for Hilds. But look at that. Ganda nung gesture of support pa rin ni Mai magpantay. Sabi nga ni Jess kanina, di ba? Naging super close sila in their preparation for this tournament.
But the PNP, 3 more points to be able to get this big win for them. They're heading to the finals.
Looks like it, no?
Yes.
Service center will announce later on probably yung schedule ng finals kung kaya, mama, no?
Yes, meron tayong July 7 will be for Game 1 ng finals natin.
Okay,
and that's also the battle for third, no? And the Game 1 of finals. And then July 21 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum will have an exhibition game. So we will be seeing all the teams here. So maglalaro pa rin yan, no? Meron sila mga ka-partners dito, yung Senate and SSS and Judiciary and DFA. So we have some exhibition games for them before the awarding and before the Game 2 ng ating final.
Sa July 21 yon?
Yes, in Araneta.
Ganda naman.
July 7 will be played here.
In Paco Arena?
In Paco Arena.
Okay, okay. Mark your calendars. 9 serving 23. And BFP trying to stay alive in this set. Diaz rejected. Back to the red and white. Tin to Ses. And BFP still alive here. Ten serving 23. Chris on deck to serve. Set up job to the back. Bangkola. And the 6th year of BFP, they're playing good defense and offense.
Mamangon is still on the game right here. 14 points.
At si Coach Rod naman ang humingi ng timeout. Medyo dikit ang kilay. Let's listen in.
Sige na. Tuloy lang ang momentum, ha? Huwag lang, okay? Tuloy lang, dalawa lang. Hindi!
Hindi pa tapos. So, diretso lang tayo. Sipagan nyo lang paghabol ng bola. Hindi lalapit sa inyo yung bola, guys, ha? Kaya please.
There's another. Pero isa lang.
Let's go! Far!
Coach Rod humingi ng timeout para mahinto yung momentum. Si Coach Franz naman hoping na pagbalik nila after that timeout, they could continue with this, ano ba to, rally that they're trying to mount.
At least buong-buo pa yung loob ni Coach Franz, no? Talagang binubuhay niya itong kupunan ng BFP Firefighters right now.
It's an ace. Malayo-layo pa, 11 pa ito, but it's still probable. Tin, set up kay Shes. Ayun, match point na dito ang PNP.
Yung pancake ni Sumalinog tumama dun sa mukha ni Pakuro.
But she's okay. Checking on her. Match point for PNP. And they end it with an ace courtesy of Chris Etucas. PNP 25, BFP 12, but more than that, the PNP, they've booked a seat to the finals of UNTV Volleyball League Season 2.
That's right. They're so determined to make it to the finals this time around kasi the last time they were not able to see that finals action, but they themselves are going into the finals right now, and we gotta commend also the effort here
of the
BFP Firefighters for giving their all-out best. For this one. They're still going for the battle for third.
Meron pa
silang laban dito sa ating battle for third. So antayin lang natin kung sino yung makakalaban ng PNP sa finals at ng kupunan naman ng BFP dun sa ating battle for third.
Dahil meron pa tayong isang laro mamaya, yung bakbakan ng Comelec tsaka ng AFP. Game 2 din po ng semis yun. We'll turn you over now to Jess for the interview with our best player of the match.
Yes, Checky and Rina, kasama ko ang ating best player of the game, of course, Chris Etucas from the PNP Lady Patrollers.